You started?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys!
Hello!
Sorry it's been such a long time since we made a Meep City
Yeah,
video.
we've been really busy. On Sunday we went hiking, and Chance has been really busy from school.
Yeah.
I've been busy for school, and I've had some guests over at my house, my cousin, and a lot of things have been happening.
A lot of crap has been going on.
Yeah,
so.
if you saw the latest video, the second latest video, when you're watching this, is going to be a second latest video. I uploaded one video, and it was a bad stop motion. So yeah. And guys.
Oh, I hope you like my skin, guys.
Yeah, I hope you guys like my skin too, because it's really easy to do, actually. I don't care. I'm a teen. You are nothing.
I'm an adult, a fully grown.
So, and guys, Meep City,
adult.
by the time we're seeing this, it's probably going to be like 13 hours until Meep City.
I'm so excited.
By the time you guys are seeing this, it's probably going to be...
Maybe not, Madison. You never know.
No, when this video comes out.
I know. You never know. Maybe they're watching it after it comes out. Like, freaking balls. You don't know. You don't know what they did. Mad Dead.
Anyway.
Can't talk.
You can. You're literally talking right now.
Can't talk about it today.
Okay, guys. So, I don't really know what to do in this video. Except for go and buy Meep. I'm just kidding. I already have a Meep. Her name is Cuddles. Oops. And guys, soon I'm going to buy 400 Robux so that I can get a boombox and customize it. Hi, buddy.
You're stupid.
Hi, buddy.
If you're buying 400 Robux and you're going to buy the boombox then?
Yeah.
You are dumb. You
no,
are so
on
dumb.
the XX Crystal Gaming.
Oh.
I don't know, guys, but what should we do in this episode?
I don't know. I can't think of anything. Why are you asking me? And I'm right out. Oh, I thought you were in the French shop. Oh.
I don't feel ashamed.
You know, you don't have to pause it.
Yeah, I do.
Whenever that happens.
Are loud. Okay, literally at night, my farts. When I'm sleeping, my farts sound like a chainsaw. Oh, crap! I'm recording. Oh my god! No, we're just faking, guys.
Yeah, but her farts actually do sound.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, they freaking do.
No, they don't.
Don't lie.
No, they don't. No, they don't.
Yeah.
Guys, don't believe him. Don't believe him. No, it doesn't. Yours sound like a freaking seesaw.
Oh yes, says the one whose fart sounds like a Ferrari that just started its engine. You know how Ferraris go like woo woo woo?
Yeah. That means I'm a car. Do you want to see what's a Ferrari? Crying like car engines. I don't care if it's about engines now. Okay. Guys, listen.
Hey, sorry I missed your call. I'm just calling you back to let you know that I love you and I miss you. I really want you to call me back. And I'm sorry I missed your phone call, and that I know you're done. So when you get this, can you call me back? I love you, and I miss you.
That's okay.
No, it's not. Sounds like me.
You can call me Queen Bee, and baby,
Oh my god! Look it!
you can call me Queen Bee, and baby,
Look it! Fantasy. Hello. Hi. Okay, guys, I'm sorry about that.
Why did you scream Maverick? Logan.
Maverick. I'm out of here. I'm out of the building. I'm out of the building. Hope you guys enjoyed the worst 5 minutes of your life. My back really hurts. Let me. Wait, hold on. I have to. Hold on. Ooh. That sounds like a pot. It sounds like It sounds like puppets. My fart. Oh, what? Why does my thing sound like puppet? Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not actually farting. It's just a worse bad. Hold on.
It's a slap.
I'm back,
Oh
guys.
my god, you just farted. Why
No,
did you get it on
I
camera?
didn't.
Oh, you're recording? Oh, oops.
Hope you guys enjoyed the worst 6 minutes of your life talking about farting and
6
queen
minutes
bees.
and 9 and 10 seconds. The worst 6 minutes and 20 seconds of your life.
Guys, we just watched a hippo fart.
And it's literally called Hippo Fart. Sounds like a chainsaw. It's a video. Search up cat memes. Wait. Isn't that? Ha ha ha.
Is this video gonna be all about farting?
It's not that funny. Look at my face. It's not that funny.
I'm gonna reenact it. Wait, no, this isn't.
What's up, guys? Ken.
All of a sudden, she's like.
Wait, look at that emoji! Do you see that emoji? It was.
This video is gonna be all about farting, guys. I don't know.
The hairy tractor. The thank God I just made it to the bathroom part.
The no, that was me getting up from the vinyl couch.
The misfire fart. The Royal Ripper fart. Why are we looking at fart videos? This is gross.
This is a
Wait,
video
look,
about.
speed up. Play it.
Play what?
The one.
This one?
Up, one more.
This one?
That one.
No, this one. This one.
No.
This one.
No, not these nuts.
Okay, guys, we're so off track right now. Hold on, guys, we'll be right back.
Pause. Okay. That looks so weird. What is that? Is that like a freaking
That's the These Nuts guy.
freaking turd head? Oh, that's the dude from D's Nuts Wine. Oh.
Yes.
It was a freaking shiz nugget. His face is so ugly.
Buck teeth. Rubber teeth.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Shit.
I've never seen this. Actually, I never.
He's looking at you. This is too good. These nuts never bothered me anyway.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you the next president of the United States, Donald Trump.
Do you want to build a wall? Let's make a plan today. Don't want to see them. We'll have a door.
You look like an orange.
It
You
will
look so
cost a lot of money,
pale. You
but
look so
that's
old.
fine.
Donald Trump no one likes.
Do you want to build a wall?
Oh, let it go, let it go, let it go.
I'm Ted Wiggins,
Ted Wiggins.
and I speak for China. And the fact is, things aren't perfect here in China. And they're only going to get worse unless we do something about it. Unless we change our ways. And we can start by planting this. Okay. Come on now, everything's fine.
You see this?
Say we tell this kid what we think about that.
Build a wall, build a wall. Don't let it fall.
Come on! You get out there right now and get these people on my side, or else you're fired. Go on, tell them what you think. You don't know me, but my inside. I'm just the old head who died. But it seems that China might be worth a try.
You have to listen to this. This is hold on.
One big family with a really big bucket of KFC black people. Seriously, like all of us are related.
Why are we watching this? This is so racist.
I don't know.
Then the video is paused, right?
No.
Oh my gosh. You're dead.
No, I'm not. Guys, I love black people.
You need to shut
I'm
up.
serious.
Shut up.
I love black people.
Oh my gosh.
They're my favorite kind of people. Actually, no, seriously.
I'm done.
I'm not kidding. Dude, what are you doing? You're literally right there.
Shut up! I was trying to. Shut up.
Guys, I don't know what we're doing for this episode. This episode was really weird. You just give it a thumbs down. We already know it's weird.
Let's listen to the hippo fart chainsaw.
Oh my god! I love black people!
You are racist. Put in the comments if she's racist, guys.
I'm not racist.
Oh
I
yeah,
love-
says the racist one.
I love black people. Don't make me tell him what you said about.
Or the frick up.
Guys, this video is stupidness. We were talking about farts, now black people.
Oh my god, you are so racist.
Say it one more time and I'll tell them.
No, please.
Say it one more time and I'll tell them. Don't you dare!
No, please!
Don't ever.